Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI. Are you wondering what goes in here? Probably not. This brightly blue colored bin with the highly recognizable recycle symbol on it says it all. And that's the beauty of this Amazon commercial 10-gallon wastebasket. Whether you use it at home for your family to know where to put their recyclables, or if you use it in the office for shredding and paper recyclables. It's a great size. It fits a 13-gallon trash bag liner, which is perfect because I use it in the kitchen. It also holds a good amount, but it can't get too full that it's too heavy to carry outside to the big bins. The depth is nice because I can easily reach inside if it needs to be wiped out. So if you're looking for an easy way to collect recyclables for your family at home or in your office, I highly recommend this Amazon commercial 10-gallon wastebasket. And that's my point of view.